Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain you difference between reserve and provision and difference between general reserve and capital reserve. So let us see first difference between reserve and provision. Here first point of difference is basic nature. Provision is a charge on profit while reserve is an appropriation of profit. Then second point of difference is purpose. Provision is made to meet known liability or contingency if the amount is not determined. And reserve is created to strengthen the financial position and to meet unforeseen liabilities or losses. Then third point, effect on taxable profit. Provision is debited to the profit and loss account, hence profit is reduced. And reserve is debited to the profit and loss appropriation account, hence profit is not affected. The next point, presentation in balance sheet. Provision is shown either as a liability under the head current liabilities or as deduction from the asset, while a reserve is shown on the liabilities side of balance sheet under the head reserves and surplus. Next point, element of compulsion. Provision is made out of legal necessity and reserve is created as a matter of prudence out of profits. The next point, use for the payment of a dividend. Provision cannot be used for distribution as profit or dividend. It reduces net profit. And in reserve, unutilized profit can be distributed as dividend. It reduces divisible profits. Now let us discuss difference between general reserve and capital reserve. First point, general reserve is the revenue profit of the business because it is created from the revenue profit. Capital reserve is the capital profit of the business because amount of capital profit is taken to capital reserve account. General reserve increases the economic solvency of the business and helps to face unexpected losses. As the capital profit of the business differs from the general reserve, it can normally be used in special circumstances. Then third point, general reserve in a company can be used for declaring and distributing dividend. Capital reserve cannot be used for declaring dividend in normal circumstances. However, there is no prohibition on using capital profits for declaring dividends in the Companies Act. But for that, certain restrictive provisions have to be followed. However, capital reserve created by revaluation of assets and liabilities cannot be used for declaring dividend. And fourth point, as general reserve is not limited to any specific purpose, it is a free reserve, and so its use is vast. As general reserve is the amount of profit, it has many uses as the uses of profit. Example, writing off losses, distributing dividend, issuing bonus shares. The use of capital reserve is limited. This reserve can be used to write off fictitious assets, write off capital losses, and if there is a provision in the article of association to issue bonus shares. So here with this, we have completed this chapter. I hope you would have understood this. That's all for today. Thank you very much.